The Galaxy Z Fold 5 won't be a significant improvement over the Galaxy Z Fold 4 based on all the leaks and reports. It's essentially all we're anticipating, coupled with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU, which will eliminate the gap when the device is folded and potentially lessen the visibility of the crease. Additionally, it's possible that the Z Fold 5 will be dust-resistant. The Galaxy Z Fold 5's list of new features and upgrades, however, is unlikely to wow many, especially with the inclusion of dust resistance. That's obviously not a good appearance for a phone that costs more than $1,500, and once the device is officially released, criticisms about how similar it is to the Z Fold 4 will undoubtedly surface online. Fair enough, it's not exactly a good idea for Samsung to deliver significant upgrades on its flagship smartphones every year, particularly if such upgrades may come with a larger price tag. However, on the Fold side, there has to be something to look forward to every time a new flagship is released, and it seems like the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will mostly fall short in that aspect. However, there is at least one reason why this may not be a terrible thing: fewer people are changing their phones every year these days. Because consumers are keeping their smartphones for far longer than they formerly did, Samsung and other Android makers have begun extending the duration of their handset software support. The world economy has become worse since the COVID outbreak began in 2020, which is another factor. Few people are eager to convert from one $1,500 plus smartphone to another $1,500 plus smartphone in only 1 year, especially given that Samsung Galaxy smartphones don't have tremendous resale value, at least not when compared to the iPhone. I'd even go so far as to suggest that it's unrealistic to anticipate that consumers upgrade their phones even every 2 years. If I were to venture a guess, I'd say that owners of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 or Galaxy Z Fold 2 will be more likely to purchase the Galaxy Z Fold 5, since the new model will provide them enough additional features to prevent them from feeling cheated. If you want to make a fiscally responsible purchase, hold out till the Galaxy Z Fold 6 or Z Fold 7 rather than upgrading from the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is still rather wonderful despite being over a year old. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.